Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and you know very well. Today we will discuss chapter number 14, properties of parallel lines. So first of all, introduction. So first question is, what is the parallel lines? So first topic is, what is the parallel line? Parallel lines. Two lines L and M are said to be parallel. Two lines, suppose this L and this M, said to be parallel if they lie in the same plane. They lie in the same plane and they do not intersect. However, for they extended. Means हम इन्हें आगे तक कहीं पर भी बढ़ा दें infinite. These two lines not intersect anywhere. और ये दोनों लाइन कहीं पर भी एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. एवरी पॉइंट्स पर इनके बिटवीन की डिस्टेंस सेम हो जाएगी, सेम रहेगी. क्लियर बेटा? सो एवरीवन क्लियर मींस दे लाई इन द सेम प्लेन एंड सेकंड कंडीशन इज दे डू नॉट इंटरसेक्ट हाउएवर फॉर दे आर एक्सटेंडेड. मींस हम इन्हें इनफाइनाइट तक भी अगर बढ़ाएंगे तभी भी ये दोनों लाइन हमारे इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ सेकंड टॉपिक इज ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. सो सी ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. Transversal line, a line which intersects two or more lines at a distinct point is called transversal line. Suppose these two parallel lines M and N, and another line intersect these two lines at 2 points. Suppose P and Q. So this line is a transversal line. तो इस line को क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Transversal line. Clear बेटा? Now after this, see the next topic. Angle formed behind a transversal line cuts two parallel lines. So see the next topic. Suppose this is a parallel line, this is two parallel lines L and N. ये दोनों क्या है? Parallel lines. And एक another line T. This is a transversal line. Cut these two parallel lines. Suppose this angle 1, this 2, and this 3, and this 4. This is 5, 6, 7, as it is 8. So first is corresponding angles. First is corresponding angles. So what is the corresponding angles? So see, angle 1 and angle 5. अगर आप देखेंगे तो सेम पोजीशन में बन रहे हैं दोनों एंगल्स हमारे 1 और 5, as it is 2 and 6, as it is 8 and 4, as it is 3 and 7. So they are all corresponding angles. So angle 1 and angle 5 also corresponding, as it is 2 and 6 also corresponding, 3 and 7 also corresponding, and 4 and 8 also corresponding. They are all corresponding angles. Clear students? Now after this, second topic, alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Clear students? So alternate interior angle means suppose इस टाइप से ये आकृति अगर बन गई, ये फिगर बन गई है, means Z अगर बन रहा है like this and like this is also. So this is also a Z and this is also Z. So 3 and 5 alternate interior angle and 4 and 6 also alternate interior angles. So angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 4 and angle 6 are called pair of alternate interior angles. Clear student? Now third is alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. So see, this and this and this and this. So angle 2 and angle 8 and angle 1 and angle 7 are called pair of alternate exterior angles. This and this, or this and this. 1 and 7 and 2 and 8. Clear students? Now next, conjugative interior angles. Conjugative interior angles. Conjugative interior angles. So angle 3 and angle 6 are conjugative interior angles, and angle 4 and angle 5 also conjugative interior angles. 3 and 6, these two, and 4 and 5, these two conjugative interior angles. Conjugative interior angles. Clear students? Okay. So after this, next topic is see co-interior angles means conjugative interior angles. Suppose two lines are parallel, L and M, and one transversal line T is intersect these two lines. So suppose this one and this two, this 3 and this 4. So always angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees, and as it is angle 3 plus angle 4 equals also 180 degrees. They are co-interior angles. They are co-interior angles. So everyone clear? Now after this, see the exercise. Exercise 14. Question number 1 is, in the given figure, this figure, L parallel and these two lines are parallel and P is a transversal line. If angle 5 is given 70 degree, so find the measure of each angle, angle 1, 3, 4 and 8. So see the solution of question number 1. And you know very well, angle 5 is given. How much? 70 degree. Solution of question number 1. So given क्या है आपको बेटा? Angle 5, and angle 5 is 70 degree. Clear students? Okay. And you know very well, angle 1 equals to angle 5. But why? Because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Okay. So one is also 70 degree because angle 5 is 70 degree. Clear students? Now after this, you know very well, angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 equals to angle 3 because they are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. So angle 3 is also 70 degree. Angle 3 is also 70 degree. Clear students? And you know very well, by linear pair, angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. By linear pair. By linear pair. And one is 70 degree. Angle 4 as it is equals to 180 degree. Clear student? So angle 4 equals to 180 minus 70 degree. So angle 4 equals to 110 degree. Clear? And now angle 4 equals to angle 8 because they are corresponding angles. So angle 8 is also 110. Clear students? Everyone clear this question? So after this, see the next question. Question number 2. So students, question number 2 is giving angle 1 and ratio angle 2 is 5:7 and given figure this. Okay? Then find angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 8. So first of all, see the solution of question number 2. Let angle 1 equals 5x and angle 2 equals 7x. And you know very well, this is a line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. But why? Because they represent a linear pair. By linear pair. Okay? So angle 1 5x, angle 7, angle 2 7x equals to 180 degree. And you know very well, 5 and 7 just 12x equals to 180 degree. So value of x equals to 180 upon 12. You know very well, 12 1 12, remaining 6, 12 5 60. So value of x equals to just 15. So angle 1 equals to 5 multiplied 15 and 15 5 75 degree. As it is angle 2 equals to 7 multiply 15 and 15 5 are 105 degree. Clear students? Now after this, you know very well angle 1 equals to angle 3 because they are vertically opposing angles. They are vertically opposing angles. So angle 3 is also how much? 75 degree. Clear beta? Now after this, and you know very well angle 2 and angle 8 is alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. So angle 8 is also 105 degree. 105 degree. So everyone clear beta? Everyone clear? Okay. So today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.